Dolphin wants the kingfish that Jay caught. Here, fishy, fishy. Where'd he go?
He's right
Here,
there.
fishy, fishy. Come on. Here, fishy, fishy.
That's crazy.
Here, fishy, fishy. Wow.
Look at it, look at it. You see it? You getting that?
Yes, I'm videoing. Although we did feed him fish, so he's not starving.
He's curious. Yeah, he's looking right at it. You see him? Jay, you're missing this. I'm a squid right here.
This is a playful dolphin.
Yeah, he is. He's a big bastard too. He's playing with it. He wants that kingfish.
Bye-bye, dolphin.
Blood off.
See you later, little
Kingfish dead?
dude.